Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing Python series. This is the first episode of the series, kinda like introduction showing how to download, install it. As you guys know, Python is a widely used general purpose high level programming language, and also it is the most important programming language nowadays. People are switching from Java, C++, C Sharp and other programming language to Python. So with Python, you can make self-driving car, create website, machine learning, um, artificial intelligence, chatbot, and many more. So even if you are new to the programming, you can learn Python without facing any issue. With some basic concept, you can do much bigger things you ever imagine. The basic things like if statement, while loop, for loop, variable, list, well, you can do a whole lot of things with just having 5 basic fundamentals of Python. Let's start by downloading the Python. Python installation is very easy, very simple. You can install it on any operating system such as Windows, Mac OS and Ubuntu, etc. Just go to this website python.org and download. Yes, I am on Windows, so looking for a 64 version of Python. I believe the default gives you the 32 version of Python. So let's go here and here it is. Now let's install the Python. Hit yes. With the Python installation, it comes idle along with, and I am the big fan of the idle for a few lines of the code of project. But eventually, I have moved to the Visual Studio Code. With Visual Studio Code, you can practice any programming language, and uh, it has a lot of advantage and the features. Let's go and download the Visual Studio as well. I will give you the link of this website in the description below. So 64-bit and it will start downloading. Yep. Our Python installation is almost complete, and Visual Studio Code has also been finished downloading. So as soon as the Python finishes its downloading, I mean installing, sorry, installing, and yes, so I have successfully installed the Python. Let's now install the Visual Studio Code. I accept the agreement. Next, create a desktop account. Installation process is very simple. It is just like our other application that you install on Windows. Let's check if Python has been successfully installed or not. Python 3.9. So Python has successfully installed. So Visual Studio Code has also finished its installing. I have opened the Visual Studio Code. So let's write a hello Corona project. So before writing any um, program, we first need to install the extension of the programming language. So We will go here, and here it is Python. Hit install. It should be finished installing at any time. So it has successfully installed. Now let's write a program. Let's type print save it as hello. Let's save. Python extension is loading here. So it has finished its loading. Select Python interpreter. Now run this program. Run Python file in terminal. So here you can see it has successfully printed out hello corona. So if you guys have any question or comment, anything, please leave out on comment section. Anyways, that's all for now. In the next tutorial we will get into the little deeper into something very cool things, with programming. I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it was good. Thank you so much.